How to fix laptop battery not charging issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix laptop battery not charging issue. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to right click on the Windows icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Now select the device manager. Once the device manager window opens, you need to look for batteries. At the top you will find the batteries, simply you need to double click to expand it. Here you will see two different types of driver listed. Simply right click on the first driver. Now select Update Driver button and choose Search automatically for drivers. You need to repeat this for the second one as well. So for that you need to cross mark this and then go to the second driver. Right click on it and click on Update Driver and select Search automatically for drivers. And here you can see that the best driver for your device are already installed. After updating both the drivers, restart your laptop and check if the issue is resolved. If not fixed, you need to right click on each driver and select Uninstall device. Then you need to shut down your laptop, remove the battery and reinsert it. And turn the laptop back on. And with that, your issue should be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.